Welcome back, Tech Newbies. My name is Don. With more and more mobile devices adopting the USB-C standard, a multifunction USB-C adapter is one accessory that you might need. So today, we're gonna take a look at the Rapoo XD100 Multifunction Adapter. Let's go.
Tech Newbies.
We have here the Rapoo XD100, which came packaged in this white box. It supports 4K resolution, one USB-C port, three USB 3.0 ports, and one HDMI port. At the back, you have a glimpse of what you can connect with this multifunction adapter. By the way, this unit was sent for the purpose of this review. Both you and Rappo representatives will see this video only after this is published on YouTube, so no bias here. Inside the box, you have the obligatory manual that no one ever reads, and the unit in this plastic tray. The build quality feels premium as it looks like it's made of aluminum with minimal plastic parts. Here's the USB-C port for charging or power distribution, the three USB 3.0 ports, and of course the HDMI port. The USB-C connector came with a cover, which is nice. I have to mention that the cable feels firm, which is quite assuring that Rappo didn't skimp on quality. I will be testing this on my trusty Huawei P20 Pro, which has a desktop mode just like Samsung's DeX. Plugging in the HDMI cable to the Rappo, which is connected to the P20 Pro, the P20 Pro detects the connection right away. Now let's plug the USB-C charger, the keyboard, the mouse, and a USB flash drive for a complete desktop feel. Here's the screen output on our Sony TV. First, let's try to access the USB flash drive that is connected by copying a file from the phone to the flash drive. Sorry if I'm a bit of a loss with the controls. This is the first time I've used a mouse on desktop mode. It has a bit of a learning curve. Anyway, the input and the response is surprisingly good. Although I have had trouble connecting a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard to this multifunction adapter, but it's more likely that that was from the interference with the USB receivers of both the mouse and the keyboards. Let's paste the file from the phone to the flash drive, then check if the file was indeed copied. Yup, the file is there. Next, let's try opening an app, YouTube. Let's explore a bit by searching for our channel, Tech Newbies. By the way, according to YouTube, there's only a very small number of you watching this video who are subscribers. If you like this type of content, help me out by subscribing to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Your support is very much appreciated. Before I forget, here is the status bar on the lower right so we can verify that the USB-C port for charging is actually working. Lastly, let's open Plex and connect to my Plex media server. If you are planning to get the Chromecast with Google TV, this is where you'll definitely need this Rappo multifunction adapter. You see, the Chromecast only has a single USB-C port, which you will most likely use for power. Hence, to maximize it as a complete media player, you'll need to add ports to it for additional storage and or peripherals like keyboard and or a mouse. So far, for my tests, everything worked as it should, be it as a USB-C OTG for the phones that support it, for laptops to use as expansion ports, to mobile phones that has desktop capabilities. The only issue that I have encountered, which I wasn't able to solve, was when connecting it to my Asus monitor. The tracking was off, with a portion of the left display showing on the right. I tried adjusting my monitor settings but I could not solve this issue. It seems that the problem is from either the sync or tracking. something that you cannot adjust completely on the Asus monitor. I have tried connecting my phone using the Rapoo Multifunction Adapter to three different TVs, and it worked flawlessly. Here, the output isn't showing correctly, but enabling just scan solves the problem. A bit of odd that it wouldn't work on my Asus monitor. That's it for this video. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Peace.